We're up here at US 27 Motorsports today, checking out this 2023 Sure-Trac 7x18 tube top utility 7K tandem axle utility trailer. Let's go ahead and jump in and check this out. Any Sure-Trac trailer that you buy, it's gonna come powder coated tough right from the factory, so you're not gonna have to worry about it rusting up on you. This trailer in specific, the 7x18, has 13 inch tall sides, treated wood deck for years of hauling enjoyment. Does have your spare tire rack right here on the side of the mount. Easy on, easy off. 7K tandem axle. Easy rear drop gate. With Sure-Trac spring assist rear gate, I tell you what, this thing you can do with one hand. If you like what you see and you want some more information, go ahead and give us a call, 989-224-8874. We have awesome financing options that can get you hauling in no time. Thanks for watching.